Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a really quick crochet hairstyle that I'll be doing using some hair that was sent to me from Iseehair. Iseehair sent me 4 packs of the Burmese Curly Crochet Hair. Each pack has about 32 to 38 strands, so you really get a good amount of hair. The curls are super soft and fluffy right out the pack. The texture reminds me of a lot of natural curly hair, which is why I think it blends really well with protective styles. This hair is also in 20 inches, and I wanted to try something different with it. A lot of people have been doing the miracle knot trend lately with curly crochet hair, which is really cute, but I wanted something a little quicker. And I also wanted something that I could finish in under an hour. Also something beginner friendly. So starting off with the back, I'm just making sure when I pull the crochet hair through, it's laying on the thread and not the actual hair itself, or it won't be secure. I am leaving some spaces between each piece of hair for more fullness. This hairstyle is pretty simple and self-explanatory. So if you're looking to do something quick and you don't have much time, this hairstyle is the one for you. You can also reuse this hair as many times as you want and create other simple and easy protective styles with proper care and maintenance, of course. Also, all the details about this hair will be in the description box below. So for the front section, I kept it really simple. I just applied a bit of the Slick and Shade Edge gel to smooth everything down, and then braided my hair in 2 French braids going towards the back. Now I'm just pulling the 2 braids into a ponytail, and I'm taking some hair from the back so it can cover the braids that's hanging down. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this style. Do you prefer quick crochet styles like this, or do you like doing the miracle knot method? Thank you again to Iseehair for sending me this hair to try out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.